Hello, in this video we will see the alphabet She. As you can see here, this is She, Shu, She, Sha, She, Shi, Sho. Now I will show you how to write She, Shu, Shi, Sha, She, Shi, Sho. So first let me make She like this, and I will make 7 copies of She. Good. So I will add some features like circle, round, and lines to change it to the trailing alphabet. So this is She, Shu, Shi, Sha, She, Shi. This should be slanted now. Shi, Sho. So what I did is I added this line to make this a Shu, and I added this line to make it Shi. Added this line and make this one to read Sha. Around here to make this read She, I changed the straight line to slanted one to make it Shi, and finally added this to make this a Sho. So Sho here, and this is She, this is Shu, Shi, Sha, She, Shi, Sho. So once you are very good in writing this, you will be very fast in the way you write it. So what you're gonna do is She, Shu, right? Shi, Sha, She, Shi, Sho. All right. So what we are doing is, this is She, okay, this is Shu. So let me change this one to something like that. She, this is Sha, She, Shi, and Sho. Okay. So this has to be something like that. So as you can see, She, Shu, Shi, Sha, She, Shi, Sho. All right, so thank you for now. I will come with other fiddle or alphabet in the next video. Thank you, bye.